This is organization. This is confidence and style in motion.
Gotta tell you, traveling can feel like a movie scene or a total hot mess. With one busted wheel throughout the airport. Like you're sweating, annoying, cursing, praying that it doesn't completely fall apart. I have to show you my new travel obsession, level 8. Traveling is not getting from point A to point B. For me, it's about arriving organized, confident, and a little iconic. So for today's video, I'm going to give you the full G on this new luggage, the mini bags for makeup for those makeup lovers, plus my best tips to travel chic, stress-free, and unapologetically
Here's something I learned as a content creator and someone literally who live in airports. People notice presence, not just like your outfit. They feel your whole energy. And I gotta tell you that your luggage, it's part of that. Okay, let's break this down because I'm picky. 360-degree wheel. Look at this. Woohoo! It is no more airport drag race, and it's not the drag racer show.
Oh no, he did it!
Of course, it could be all the drag race contestants. Probably they use level 8. Why not? Of course, it's the best.
Stunning.
I gotta show you, literally, this luggage, it glides. It feels like you don't have to put like any effort at all. It has a TSA approved lock as well, so you can see right in here. It gives me peace of mind because I don't trust everybody.
you get away.
Scratch resistant shell as well. So all of this is very, very durable, very substantial. If you ever got all the scuffs on your luggage, you know the pain, you know how that bothers you. I hate that. With this one, you're not gonna have that problem. Now the interior design, it has compartments for days. What I like about that is everything stays in one place.
We are gonna travel in style to New York. Oh yeah. Now we got the baby one, and she feels that there might be more. Oh, this is great. Oh, so my husband gets the mini one, and I get this too for a few days.
So good.
This luggage comes in a set of 3. I only pack the midi size, which is good for like a short trip, maybe 4 or 5 days. It's totally fine. My carry-on. This actually I use for my camera equipment, and it worked very, very well as well. The large one is great for the longer travels, obviously. Level 8 has great compartments. The zippers that you can actually divide your shoes in one side, zip it up. On top of that zipper, you have more compartments that you can do your underwear, you can do your socks, and in the other side, more zippers for more clothes. Keeps everything so much organized and much easier when it's time to unpack. So with Level 8, what I like about it, it is sophisticated, it is simple, and it is effective and a very good quality. You can customize your pack for whatever you need. So they, for example, this one right in here, let me come closer so you can see. It has the symbol of cables, so you know that all your tech will live in here. But let's say that, I'm not gonna carry a lot of those cables. Take it out. It has like a Velcro, by the way, it's like a sticker. Put it right in there, and now your pack, it is for skincare. So there you put your pair of shoes on this. Well, a pair of shoes I think will fit in here perfectly fine. You can customize all these baggies for whatever you want.
Oh my gosh, but they're so worth it. and it looks sleek, elegant, and it's not tacky, it's not too glitzy, it's not busy, it is timeless. This is definitely for your wife, for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, for your husband. It has no gender. And listen, when you wear full makeup like me, full glam, when you have a lot of skincare because you're high maintenance, you have your fragrance, you have your toothbrush, jewelry, and those like little gadgets that we like to travel sometimes with, for me it's just like game changer. So let me share a secret with you for my femboys out there. These are my most essential travel items for a good femboy. You need concealer, you need lip gloss of course, you need powder, you need your jewelry, you need your rings, you know that, right? And of course, we gotta smell good. Fragrance. Everybody deserves a travel in style, so that's why I'm saying this. So this is my 3-step travel beauty hacks. Number 1, keep a glow kit, which consists of concealer, gloss, and powder. Beauty hack number 2, secure your fragrance like in a padded case like this one. Beauty hack number 3, store your jewelry separate so it never tangles. I do remember last New York Fashion Week, I rolled into my presentation on point. The outfit, the luggage, energy aligned, and I gotta tell you, people noticed. They do. Level 8 don't just carry your clothes, it carries confidence. And the city like New York, that matters. Packed by outfits, not just random shit. It's gonna save you so much time, and you actually wear what you bring. Stick to one color palette, so that way everything mixes and matches. Always carry a little kit of skincare. And don't forget your fragrance. Gotta tell you, mi gente, that travel sets the tone for your whole experience. And I'm telling you, as someone that lives in airports and carry both glam and gear, this is so worth it. You're going to use 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐿12, discount code right there below. You see it? 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐿12. Who doesn't want a good discount? I do, because I'm ready to get more. I want more colors, I want more things. Obsessed with Level 8. You are gonna have, oh my goodness, you are going to enjoy this luggage like there's no tomorrow. So get your luggage. Don't forget your mini packs. Remember this in your cart. You need to get those. Trust me when I tell you. Everything organized in here makes a difference. And the most important thing is you're gonna travel with the energy and the style that's gonna get you noticed. You deserve to arrive unforgettable. Sigue bajando la mierda, ahí está. Y no sé cómo puñeta.